This tournament, it's a different tournament altogether in Goa. It's organized at a grand scale, first of its kind, and it's nice to see Tarkar and Sarvesh Kolwalkar organizing this tournament. Although this event has never happened before in Goa, we have done a number of tournaments by the association, wherein we have done top ranking tournaments in Goa. But this is the first time that some players from outer states have been invited and played in Goa. It's nice to see different types of players, and it's nice for our budding stars and our boys to learn from this game and to play against good players and be good players themselves. I look upon our youngsters to take this opportunity and take this game to a different level and try to play this game in the right spirit.
This is one of its kind tournament which is organized by Mr. Rahul Tarkar and Sarvesh Kolwalkar, who has this crucible where the tournament has been organized. It is one of the first tournament which is organized in Goa by Rahul Tarkar and Sarvesh Kolwalkar. One of the best tournament held in Goa. There are a lot of players all over India which represented Goa. I would like to thank all the players who represented for the snooker big league, and I want to thank Rahul and Sarvesh Kolwalkar for this event, and would wait for the future event to happen in near future of snooker and pool as well.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to be part of this event, Crucible Snooker tournament organized by Mr. Rahul Talkar, and it's a good opportunity for Goan youth to be to get participated in such kind of events, and actually it's an elite sport, and I congratulate Rahul Talkar and making the event great, and all the best for the future for the snooker tournaments.
टूर्नामेंट बहुत अच्छा हुआ। सर्वेश एंड राहुल ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से ऑर्गेनाइज किया। मैं चाहता हूँ कि अगली बार वो टूर्नामेंट करे तो मैं ज़रूर आना चाहूँगा। डेफिनेटली इट विल बी ऑनर फॉर मी।